So moving on to the next part, I've heard about this famous or well-known trademark. What is this exactly?
Parle G,
Okay.
Apple,
Hmm.
the latest judgment which has been passed is of Amul. See, well known का मतलब ऐसा है जो नाम इतना familiar हो गया है कि it has become a part of our life, right?
Okay. Huh.
When I was young, I mean to say, I'm not that old, but when I was young, somewhere around 8 to 9, Parle G was there.
Hmm.
Since that day, till date, Parle G is there.
Huh.
So Parle G, I think ऐसा कोई गांव नहीं है भारत में जिसको Parle G नहीं माना, बराबर है?
Well.
Now, what Parle has done, they have tried to create their own mark, a well-known mark. पूरे सबको पता है. See, when your mark becomes known by everyone, it becomes well-known mark.
Okay.
Now, why this bifurcation has been
Exactly.
given? Because nobody should get into that domain. Suppose if someone comes with a biscuit and say, "Karle ji,"
Right.
how nonsense it is.
हाँ.
So, well-known mark एक category बनाया हुआ है. So, the moment you become well-known mark, it means from financial part उसका valuation तो बहुत बड़ा हो गई, expenses भी होगा, the business they are doing well. Well-known mark मतलब I cannot enter this domain by any ways.
Okay.
I cannot file a domain with the same name.
Same name.
I should not file a company name with the same name. I am not saying कि well-known नहीं है तो आप नहीं कर सकते हो. But there are certain loopholes which has been given by domains and everything. I think the latest judgment which has been passed by Delhi High Court, they have very clearly told no domain with the Amul shall be registered.
Right.
Surprisingly, because indirectly it is a judgment which says that now nobody can have .net, .org. In fact, this is a very common problem. But anyway, your question was well-known mark. This is well-known mark. Well-known mark means the mark which is totally known by everyone.
And has a high protection.
High protection. If you know who is Ambani, I think that itself is a well-known mark. I think today Jio has become a well-known mark.
It is. It is. Everyone knows about it.
Right? The latest well-known mark for me will be Cred.
Yes. It just jumped when it came.
It's hardly 2 years, I think so.
Hmm.